Hello, students. Good morning to you all. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. This is your science period. Students, I hope you all are doing good. So, let's start our today's work. Today, we will continue with the exercises of lesson 5, our body. So, all of you take out your science copies quickly and start your work. आप लोग अपनी साइंस की कॉपीज़ निकाल लीजिए and start doing your work. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 19th 8 2020. On the next line, write down classwork. Underline the classwork. On the next line, write down lesson number and lesson name. This is lesson 5. Our body. Underline the heading of the lesson. On the next line, write down the exercise name. So today we will do exercise B of lesson 5, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Underline it. Students, I have noticed that many of you are not underlining the headings. मैंने नोटिस किया है कि आप लोगों में से कई लोग अंडरलाइन नहीं करते हैं हेडिंग. So students, please underline it as it will look beautiful, nice, neat and clean. Alright. So let's start our exercise now. Number 1. Dash makes us look smart. What makes us look smart? हम लोग को स्मार्ट लुक कैसे आता है? Our posture, our position of our body, our body posture makes us look smart. So if the body posture is good, you will look smart, healthy. If your body posture is not good, so you will not look smart. So we should sit, walk and stand in a straight position, upright position. Alright, so the answer will be good posture. Good posture Posture. Posture makes us look smart. Put a full stop. Now the second one. We must always sit dash. So we must always sit in a straight position. हमेशा हमें straight बैठना चाहिए with our backbone in a straight position. So the answer will be straight. STRAIGHT, straight. Alright, I have already shown this to you. The position, this is a correct position of sitting. So we must always sit straight in a upright position. This is a correct way of sitting. And this boy is sitting with his back bending. उसका back क्या है? झुका हुआ है. So this is not the correct position. So and this is the correct way of walking, standing. So we should stand, walk in a straight position, and we should not do our work by lying down on a bed. लेट के हमें कोई काम नहीं करना चाहिए. All right. Now let's move to the third one. Dash help us to move our bones. So, what help us to move our bones? क्या चीज़ हमें बोन्स को मूव करने में हेल्प करती है? डू यू नो दैट? Muscles help us to move our bones because muscles are the softer part of our body. Some body parts are hard and some are soft. So the muscles are the soft part of our body which help us to move our bones, like walking, running. They help us to do various things. So the answer will be muscles. 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 Muscles help us to move our bones. Number 4, we must dash every day. So we must dash every day. What should we do every day in order to keep our body healthy and strong? हमें क्या करना चाहिए so that we can become healthy and strong? We should exercise regularly. हमें डेली क्या करना चाहिए? एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए. इससे हमारी बॉडी क्या होगी? हेल्दी और स्ट्रांग होगी. We should exercise. EXERCISE. Exercise every day. All right. And after doing the exercise, we should eat healthy food. All right. Let's move to the 5th one. Dash protects, PROTECTS, protects the soft inner part of our body. What protect us the softer part of our body? हमारे बॉडी का जो सॉफ्ट पार्ट है उसे क्या प्रोटेक्ट करता है? वो स्केलेटन. स्केलेटन इज द प्रॉपर फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स. वो क्या है? प्रॉपर फ्रेम, एक स्ट्रक्चर है बोन्स का हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जिसपे हमारी बॉडी बेस है. And it protects the soft part of our body. All right. So the answer will be skeleton. SKELETON. Skeleton protects the soft inner part of our body. So these are the 5 fill-ups that we will do in fill in the blanks. Good posture makes us look smart. We must always sit straight. Muscles help us to move our bones. We must exercise every day. Skeleton protects the soft inner part of our body. All right. Now you just write down your homework. Your today's homework is draw and color the diagram given on page number 37। पेज नंबर 37 पे जो डायग्राम दिया हुआ है वो आपको ड्रॉ करना है, कलर करना है, एंड यू हैव टू लेबल द नेम्स ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स। दिस इज द डायग्राम गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 37। There are different parts of our body. You have to draw this and label it and color it also. All right. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.